A lot of new information related to the Pocket 4 camera has leaked today, and most importantly, it has been leaked by Colombian DJI authorized dealer Drone Techs. We have real-life footage of the DJI Pocket 4 camera. DJI's Osmo Pocket 4 vlogging camera has surfaced in a new leak. Featuring an LED floodlight, the Osmo Pocket 4 also appears to borrow from GoPro in adopting a new SuperPhoto camera mode, featuring a rotating touchscreen displaying a stunning landscape. Intuitive new controls for zooming in, including a joystick, record button, and microphone grill. Just a small confirmation of our thoughts about Osmo Pocket 4 and a picture of the quick start guide manual of Osmo Pocket 4 also leaks. The Pocket 4 camera seems like a subtle upgraded version of the Pocket 3. 1-inch sensor equivalent CMOS listed as 2.5 centimeters. Optimized for superior low light performance and dynamic range, matching the evolutionary upgrade from the Pocket 3. Video recording, 4K per 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion and high frame rate footage, a clear step up from the Pocket 3's 4K per 60 frames per second standard. Stabilization, advanced 3-axis gimbal for rock-steady shots, refined for even better handling. Focusing and tracking, fast autofocus with intelligent face/object detection, ensuring sharp subject lock during dynamic vlogs. Rumors and leaks suggest its price will likely range from approximately $599 for a base model up. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.